One other concept that you need to know about when it comes to scripting or language scripting, these are what we call as data types and structures. So it's gonna be data types and structures. So you're pretty much looking at the first one, which will be what I showed you before, an integer. I think I said right, integer. Yeah, so that's pretty much as close as I can say that word. In short, it's int. So when you talk about that, it's like, let's say age equals 25. So this is an integer, okay? When you look at height, like what I did before, 5.3, and this is what we call as a float. A float. Also meaning decimals. Those are fractions of numbers. And next, what you have is a string. Like here you have a name, then you have Alice. We've used that before. This will be a string. Okay, it's gonna be a string. That's str. See, so we've talked about integer. That's a number, complete number, like 25, like a whole number. When you have decimals, those are floats. That's a float because it's a decimal. When you have a string, str, talking about a name in double quotation marks. Okay. And next, what we have is a list. So like fruits, a list, you use the square brackets, and then you have strings in there or numbers. So you can have like apple, period. Then you have orange in quotation marks because these are strings. Then you have lemon, quotation mark, and then close the square bracket. This is a list. That's a list. What else do we have? We have what we call dictionary. Like here we have person. A dictionary, for the dictionaries, you use curly brackets. You can have name, write that as a string. So name here. Then you have column, and then it's gonna be Alice. You have comma, then age as a string. Then you have an integer, it's 25, and then close the curly bracket. And this is what we call a dictionary, DIC, or dictionary. There you go. So these are very, very important things. And then if you want to print all of this, you just do print. You can start with age. You can start with age there. Then you can go on to print name. You can print fruit. Remember, no white spaces after print. You can print person. And let's get to that. Go to our we're gonna go to our thing here. So we go to our command line. Not our thing. It's late afternoon when I'm recording this video, so I'm getting tired a little bit. So I'm gonna do nano, and here we will be doing let's say data BI, like that, right? And then I'm just gonna paste everything that I've shared with you here. Save some time. Go up here, and then just add a comment using data and structures. So we have that, and what we have here, sorry, okay, so you can see now my screen here. So I've already typed in this. I actually pasted this, and I'll change this to 5.3. So you see here it's an integer, that's 25. Here it's a float. Here it's a string. This is a list, and this is a dictionary. Okay, so I'll save that, and then I'm gonna run it, and then you're gonna see this. So you have to print we printed the age, the name, this is the list, and this is the dictionary. In writing scripts, you can combine all of these concepts into just one concept or one script. And this is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.